there, so we're multiplying this out. 3 times 3, what is that? We got 9, right? 9x minus 6. The 6 is going to become an 18. That's minus 18. That's going to stay negative. So it's negative 6 times 2. Negative 6 times 2 is going to go to 12. 2x minus 30. So let's multiply that whole thing out.
Hey, are you okay? You look super unwell.
Minus 30 equals...
No, really bad. Okay. All right, I asked.
We're looking at the other side of this equation. We got to remember 30 is down. 18, we're going to add that over the other side. We're ending up with 3x minus 48.